choosing the right cordless handheld vacuum can make everyday cleaning much faster and more convenient. Between suction power, battery life, portability, dust capacity, included attachments, and ease of maintenance, not every model offers the same level of performance. To help you make the right choice, I've selected the 3 best cordless handheld vacuums available today, based on their cleaning power, battery performance, versatility, build quality, and overall value for money. In the third, the BLACK+DECKER delivers excellent everyday cleaning performance in a compact and lightweight design. Whether you're cleaning your car, furniture, office, or hard-to-reach corners around the house, it offers plenty of suction power, while remaining comfortable to use for longer cleaning sessions. Getting started is simple, thanks to its cordless design and rechargeable battery. After a quick charge, the vacuum provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, giving you enough time to clean an entire vehicle or tackle multiple small cleaning jobs around the home without constantly recharging. One of its biggest strengths is its versatility. With 2 suction modes and several included accessories, it's easy to switch between cleaning carpets, upholstery, cup holders, keyboards, shelves, window blinds, or tight spaces between car seats. The extension tube and crevice tool make hard-to-reach areas much easier to clean. The suction performance is impressive for a handheld vacuum. Powered by a high-speed motor, producing up to 9 kilopascals of suction, it easily picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, sand, and everyday debris. The built-in LED light is also extremely useful when cleaning dark areas such as underseats, inside closets, or along baseboards. I also appreciated how lightweight and portable it is. Weighing only around 1.6 pounds, it feels comfortable to hold with one hand and is easy to carry from room to room or keep inside the car. The included storage bag helps keep all the accessories organized when not in use. Maintenance is quick and straightforward as well. The washable HEPA filters are easy to remove and clean, helping maintain strong suction over time while reducing replacement costs. Emptying the dustbin only takes a few seconds, making the overall experience very convenient. If I had to mention one small drawback, it would be that the battery life is best suited for quick daily cleaning, rather than extended deep cleaning sessions. For larger jobs, you may need to recharge before finishing. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER offers an excellent balance of suction power, portability, and convenience. Its lightweight construction, useful accessories, washable filters, and reliable performance make it a great choice for keeping both your home and your car clean with minimal effort. Secondly, the Mono-Zel is an excellent all-around cleaning tool for both home and car use. Combining powerful suction with air blower functionality, it handles everything from dust and crumbs to pet hair and debris, while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. Getting started is quick, thanks to its cordless design and large rechargeable battery. It supports fast USB-C charging and provides enough runtime for multiple everyday cleaning tasks, making it convenient for both quick touch-ups and more thorough cleaning sessions. One of its standout features is its versatility. This isn't just a handheld vacuum, it also functions as an air duster, allowing you to blow dust out of keyboards, vents, electronics, and tight spaces that are difficult to reach with traditional vacuum cleaners. The multiple included nozzles make switching between tasks fast and effortless. Cleaning performance is excellent, powered by a brushless motor, making it easy to pick up dust, crumbs, sand, pet hair, and other everyday debris. The integrated LED light is also very useful when cleaning dark areas, such as under car seats or inside cabinets. I also appreciated how comfortable it is to use. Despite its strong motor, the vacuum remains lightweight and produces relatively low noise compared to many handheld models. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold during longer cleaning sessions without causing fatigue. Maintenance is simple as well. The washable HEPA filter is easy to remove and clean, helping maintain strong suction over time while reducing replacement costs. Emptying the dust container only takes a few seconds, making everyday use quick and hassle-free. If I had to point out one small drawback, it would be that the highest suction mode naturally drains the battery faster than the standard mode. For longer cleaning sessions, using the lower power setting when possible helps maximize runtime. Overall, the Mono-Zel offers an outstanding combination of power, versatility, and portability. With its strong suction, air duster function, USB-C charging, washable filter, and multiple accessories, it's a fantastic choice for keeping your car, home, office, and workspace clean with minimal effort. And to finish, first of all, the BLACK+DECKER delivers reliable cleaning performance in a compact and easy-to-use design. Whether you're cleaning your car, stairs, upholstery, furniture, or everyday messes around the house, it provides strong suction while remaining lightweight and comfortable to handle. Using it couldn't be easier. The cordless design allows you to move freely without dealing with tangled cords. And the included charging station keeps the vacuum fully charged and ready whenever you need it. It's ideal for quick cleanups throughout the day. One of its standout features is the rotating slim nozzle combined with the pull-out crevice tool. These accessories make it incredibly easy to reach tight corners, between sofa cushions, under furniture, around car seats, and other hard-to-access spaces that larger vacuums often struggle to clean. The suction power is impressive for such a compact, handheld vacuum. Thanks to its cyclonic action technology, dust and debris are continuously spun away from the filter, helping maintain consistent suction while effectively picking up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday household debris. I also appreciated how simple the maintenance is. The translucent dirt bowl lets you see exactly when it's time to empty it, and both the dust container and filter can be removed quickly for easy cleaning. The entire process only takes a minute and helps keep the vacuum performing at its best. During everyday use, the vacuum feels well-balanced and comfortable to hold. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry around the house or keep inside the car, while the compact size allows it to be stored almost anywhere without taking up much space. If I had to point out one small drawback, it would be that the vacuum can become a little louder when operating at full power. However, the strong suction performance more than makes up for the extra noise during short cleaning sessions. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER offers an excellent combination of power, convenience, and reliability. Its strong suction, practical attachments, easy maintenance, and trusted build quality make it a fantastic choice for keeping both your home and vehicle clean with minimal effort. That wraps up my selection of the 3 best cordless handheld vacuums. Each of these models offers its own strengths, whether you're looking for powerful suction, long battery life, lightweight portability, or versatile attachments for both home and car cleaning. The best choice ultimately depends on your cleaning needs and budget. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.